Hi everyone, this is Chef Mark.
I'm Cleet Crocker.
And this is Pro
versus No.
Alright guys, today I'm going to teach Cleet how to sharpen a knife.
Alright.
You know what this is called?
No idea.
Okay, this is called a steel. And this actually doesn't sharpen, it hones. So when you're sharpening, you actually use a stone or a sharpening device and actually removes metal off of the blade, kind of reshaping the blade. And a lot of times your knife is sharp enough, but it feels dull just because the edge gets pushed left or right. And what that does is it makes the knife feel dull. So I'm going to teach you how to sharpen your knife. So what we're going to do here, this is the pro way of doing it, okay? I'm going to show you the beginner way. We're going to set this straight up and down. You see this thing here, this hilt?
Yes.
I'm going to set my knife at that angle. I'm going to pull from the top to the bottom of the knife in a semicircular motion, right? Okay. And common mistakes, only doing half the blade or changing the angle, okay? And you want to press with a fair amount of pressure.
All right.
All right. All right, let's see it. I know, the pressure is on. You're alternating sides and maintaining the angle and going from tip to tail.
Oh, tip?
I beg your pardon. From the back of the knife to the tip. There you go. We're going to chalk this up to it looks easier when somebody else is doing it.
Absolutely.
All right. The good news about this, folks at home, is even if you're doing it wrong, you're still going to see improvement in the sharpness of your knife. All right.
Do I get to flip now?
Yeah, go for the flip. Let's see. You're going to flip the dull one.
Oh, this one. Okay.
Yeah,
all right.
yeah.
All right.
Let's see it.
All right. Ready?
All right.
Ta-da.
There we go. This has been Pro vs. No.